No, me kind of in the middle when it comes on to this because a part of me is just like, here what? So on a recent British Airways flight to Jamaica, the people on the plane broke out in a one hell of a praise and worship session. Take a look.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has switched on the overhead seatbelt sign.
In the name of Jesus.
No, in the middle of that, people are wonder like, was this okay? Is this type of activity supposed to be allowed? No, me kind of in the middle when it comes on to this because a part of me is just like, here what? According to Caribbean doctrine, when anything have to do with Jesus and the Lord and praise, you're supposed to just shut him up because nothing can wrong. But on the other end, a part of me is very much like, I understand the way the world is and you must respect people's rights and, people there might not practice your religion and they should have some say in the matter. But Berry does let me know what you thought of it. You think this was okay or you think them should have just wait until after the plane stopped to do something like this?